Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will learn how we could go ahead and sort the series or a data frame depending upon their values instead of sorting them depending upon their index values. So this thing is actually quite simple. Instead of passing in sort underscore index, you simply use the method which is sort underscore values. So let's first go ahead and define a series over here. So I've actually pasted the code over here to create a series. So this is normally a series with 3 elements, and the index values are speed, temperature and humidity. So if you run this code, as you could see, these are the values which we get over here. Now in order to sort these values, that is 1400, 1200 and 3100, what you simply need to do is that you need to type in the series name, which is in this case series2. So you type series2 dot sort underscore values, and once you do that and once you run this code, as you could see, now the values appear in the sorted order. That is, you have 1200 first, then you have 1400, then you have 3100. So same is the case with the data frame as well. So in a data frame, what you could essentially do is that you could sort the values according to the name of a particular column. So if you have a look at this data frame, which is frame 2 over here, so let me just go ahead and type in frame 2, and when you run this code, as you could see, you will have certain values over here. And let's say in this data frame 2, if you want to sort depending upon humidity values, what you could essentially do is that you could type in frame 2 over here, and after typing in frame 2, you could simply type in dot, and that's going to be sort values. So this is actually the same. Now one extra thing which you need to do here is that you need to type in by over here. So by equals, and in single quotes you need to define the column index according to which you want to sort the values. So let's say you want to sort the values according to humidity. So you simply need to type in humidity, and I actually misspelled it, so that's going to be humidity. And when you run this code, again misspelled this, so this should be humidity. So when you run this code, as you could see, now the values are actually sorted depending upon the humidity. Now if you want to sort those values depending upon the temperature, you just simply need to change this by attribute to temp. And once you do that and once you run this code, as you could see, now the values are sorted according to the temperature instead of sorting the values according to the humidity. So this is how you could go ahead and sort the values in series and data frame. And for the series, it's actually quite simple. It's simply going to sort the values depending upon the values for a particular index. But in case of a data frame, the only thing or the extra thing which you need to do is that you need to define column index on the data frame according to which you want to sort the particular data frame. So this is how you could go ahead and sort a series and data frame according to values, and I hope you guys were able to understand how to do that. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.